world. It is an international food festival. Ross and Dave are excited. Wow, the parade is awesome. This food is from America. Let's have steak and fries. I want cheesecake for dessert. Come here, it's Italy. Yes, there's the Colosseum. Let's have pizza. I want gelato for dessert. Where are we now? We are in Mexico. Let's eat some more. Let's have tacos and nachos. I want churros for dessert. I ate too much. I'm so full. I am full too. I can't eat anymore. Do you want to try this? No more food for us. Thank you for watching. Keep reading.